In this video, we picked the top 10 face moisturizers on Amazon that actually deliver results after testing them ourselves and reviewing real user experiences. Whether you're struggling with dryness, sensitive skin, uneven tone, or early signs of aging, you'll find something that fits your needs. From lightweight gels that absorb instantly to rich creams that repair and protect, we'll break down each product's real benefits, who it's best for, and why it stands out in a crowded market. Stick around because the moisturizer at number 1 completely surprised us with how well it works for multiple skin concerns. At number 10, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. If your skin is extremely dry, flaky, or eczema-prone, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is a reliable, hands-on solution that actually works. From personal experience, this cream's rich, velvety texture absorbs surprisingly well, leaving skin hydrated and soft without any greasy residue. Its blend of hyaluronic acid, 3 essential ceramides, and MVE technology delivers slow-release, 24-hour hydration, which matters if your skin feels tight or irritated after washing. This is a great option if you want a deep, restorative moisturizer that repairs your skin barrier while keeping it comfortable all day. Unlike many thick creams that just sit on the surface, this formula actively replenishes moisture and helps protect against future dryness. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist-developed, making it ideal for sensitive or problem-prone skin. Users consistently report smoother, healthier skin and reduced discomfort in dry patches, making it a top choice for anyone prioritizing barrier repair and lasting hydration. At number 9, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. For combination or sensitive skin that easily reacts to irritants, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair is a trusted, dermatologist-tested solution. In hands-on testing, it absorbs quickly and leaves skin balanced and comfortable, without shine or heaviness. Its formula, featuring ceramides, niacinamide, and prebiotic thermal water, actively supports the skin's natural barrier, so hydration lasts longer and redness or irritation is calmed. This moisturizer is ideal if your skin needs gentle but effective hydration, and if previous creams have left you feeling greasy or aggravated your sensitivity. It breaks the pattern of typical moisturizers that either irritate or fail to retain moisture. Users often notice softer, more resilient skin and improved hydration within days, making it a dependable daily essential for anyone with sensitive or reactive skin. At number 8, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. If your skin is normal to oily yet still dehydrated, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a standout lightweight option. In hands-on use, the gel absorbs instantly, leaving skin refreshed and smooth without any sticky or heavy feel. Its hyaluronic acid-based formula locks in hydration while maintaining balance for combination or oily skin, which is often difficult to manage with heavier creams. It's non-comedogenic and won't clog pores, solving the common pain point of lightweight gels that fail to hydrate adequately. The 3-pack ensures consistent daily use, and real users report softer, plumper skin and a refreshed, healthy glow. At number 7, COSRX Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Cream. If your skin feels parched, sensitive, or easily irritated, COSRX Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Cream delivers deep, long-lasting hydration without heaviness. From hands-on experience, it absorbs quickly, leaving skin soft, plump, and comfortable without heaviness. The hyaluronic acid penetrates deeply to retain moisture, while antioxidants calm irritation and support skin health. This cream is ideal for sensitive, dry, or combination skin that struggles with hydration retention. Unlike rich, greasy creams that feel suffocating, COSRX provides a lightweight but nourishing experience. It's hypoallergenic, dermatologist-tested, and free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Users consistently report improved elasticity, smoother skin, and a more radiant appearance. At number 6, Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Face Cream. For dry, sensitive, or easily irritated skin, Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow provides immediate relief and long-term hydration. From my hands-on use, it softens and smooths the skin instantly, absorbs quickly, and leaves a natural, healthy glow without any greasy residue. Its hydrosensitive complex, combined with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and vitamin B5, restores hydration while protecting the skin barrier. This moisturizer is excellent if you want a lightweight daily cream that nourishes, soothes, and improves texture. It delivers hydration for up to 48 hours, addressing a common problem of products that evaporate too quickly. Clinically tested and hypoallergenic, it's safe for sensitive skin, making it a dependable, everyday option for healthy, supple skin. At number 5, Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream for Women. If you're noticing fine lines, wrinkles, or loss of firmness, Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream is a clinically proven anti-aging moisturizer that also hydrates deeply. In hands-on testing, the cream absorbs quickly, leaving skin soft and firmer over time. Its niacinamide, aminopeptides, and hyaluronic acid penetrate multiple layers, improving elasticity, hydration, and surface texture. This moisturizer is ideal for anyone seeking anti-aging benefits without the weight or greasiness of some wrinkle creams. Unlike products that promise results but feel heavy or ineffective, this formula delivers hydration and visible skin improvement. Users consistently report smoother, more resilient skin and a lifted appearance, making it a reliable choice for adults focused on both hydration and early anti-aging care. At number 4, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for Dry Skin. For persistent dryness or rough patches, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a versatile, hands-on solution for both face and body. In personal use, it absorbs quickly, leaving skin soft without residue. Its combination of hyaluronic acid, 3 essential ceramides, and MVE technology ensures hydration lasts for up to 24 hours while restoring and maintaining the skin's natural barrier. This moisturizer is perfect for dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin. Unlike many lotions that feel temporary or greasy, CeraVe provides lasting comfort and protection. Users report noticeable improvement in softness, hydration, and overall skin health. Dermatologist-developed and non-comedogenic, it's a trustworthy everyday choice for long-term skin wellness. At number 3, Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 25. If you want a combination of hydration, anti-aging, and sun protection, Neutrogena Triple Age Repair is a standout choice. In hands-on use, the creamy yet lightweight texture absorbs quickly on both face and neck. Its glycerin and shea butter hydrate deeply, while vitamin C and hexenol technology help even tone, reduce dark spots, and improve firmness. This moisturizer is great if you're seeking an all-in-one solution that prevents premature aging while delivering daily comfort. SPF 25 protects against UVA and UVB rays, which is essential for long-term skin health. Unlike some anti-aging creams that feel heavy or irritating, this product is lightweight yet effective. Users notice smoother, firmer skin and a brighter complexion within weeks, making it a strong daily option. Its hypoallergenic, oil-free formula ensures comfort and reliability for daily use. At number 2, Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream by It's Dawn. For dry, sensitive, or dull skin, It's Dawn Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream offers deep hydration and repair with hands-on results. The high concentration of snail secretion filtrate improves elasticity, texture, and natural radiance. When applied, it absorbs quickly, leaving skin plump and comfortable without heaviness. This moisturizer is ideal if you want repair, hydration, and radiance in one product. Unlike creams that mask dryness or irritate sensitive skin, this formula supports barrier repair, improves texture, and enhances natural glow. Users often report smoother, brighter skin after consistent use, making it an eco-friendly and hypoallergenic formulation for safe, responsible daily use. At number 1, Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Face Moisturizer with SPF 15. If you want a reliable daily moisturizer that hydrates, protects, and subtly improves tone, Aveeno Positively Radiant is an excellent choice. From personal experience, it absorbs quickly, leaves skin soft, and doesn't interfere with makeup. Its clinically proven soy extract helps improve skin tone and texture, while SPF 15 provides essential protection against everyday sun exposure, preventing early signs of aging and dark spots. This moisturizer is perfect if you want a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula for sensitive, combination, or normal skin. Unlike creams that feel heavy or don't layer well, it delivers hydration, protection, and radiance simultaneously. Users consistently notice smoother, healthier-looking skin, making it a dependable top pick for everyday skincare. Its hypoallergenic, oil-free formula ensures comfort and reliability for daily use. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 face moisturizers on Amazon. Each product was chosen based on real testing, research, and hands-on experience, so you know these aren't just random recommendations. Whether your priority is deep hydration, repairing sensitive skin, protecting against sun damage, or fighting early signs of aging, there's a moisturizer here to fit your needs. If you try any of these, pay attention to how your skin feels over a few days. You might be surprised at the difference the right moisturizer can make. Remember, consistent care matters more than anything, and choosing the right formula for your skin type can change your daily routine for the better.